Welcome to Make Life Smart. Your car deserves better than it got from the factory. An AI robot companion that actually rides with you and keeps you company on long drives. A diagnostic tool that gives you complete control over every system in your vehicle. A heads-up display that projects everything you need directly onto your windshield. A 5.2K dash cam with full 360-degree panoramic recording that misses nothing. 10 gadgets that upgrade your car into something genuinely smarter. All available right now. Let's go. Number 1. Control your car like never before. An OBDeleven 3 gives you access to systems your dealer charges hundreds to touch. The OBDeleven 3 is an OBD diagnostic and coding tool that plugs into your car's OBD port and opens up a level of control that manufacturers typically lock behind dealership visits and expensive service charges. Read and clear fault codes before your dashboard warning light becomes a workshop appointment. Access hidden settings and enable features your car has the hardware for, but the manufacturer disabled by default. Monitor live data from every sensor in your vehicle in real time through the companion app. For the driver who wants to genuinely understand and control their vehicle rather than handing it to a dealer every time a light comes on, OBDeleven 3 pays for itself the first time it saves you a diagnostic fee. Your hidden settings, your fault codes, your control, finally. Number 2. An AI robot companion that rides with you in your car and transforms long solo drives into something genuinely less draining. MOKUKU is a compact AI robot companion designed specifically for the car, sitting on your dashboard, engaged with the road alongside you, providing intelligent, responsive company that transforms a long solo drive from an endurance exercise into something you might actually look forward to. The physical form with expressive movement creates a presence that a voice-only assistant doesn't generate. MOKUKU reacts to what's happening on the road, responds to your voice, and communicates through gesture and expression in a way that makes the interaction feel genuinely companionable rather than transactional. Navigation assistance, music control, hands-free communication, and real-time driving feedback are all present, but the intelligence layer goes further. It reads your energy level, notices when you've been driving too long, and initiates conversation or suggests breaks with timing that feels like genuine awareness rather than a programmed interval. Not just a voice assistant, a companion that actually rides with you. Number 3. A smart car air freshener that thinks about how your car smells so you don't have to. The Fanttik N10 is an automatic fragrance diffuser that manages fragrance intensity based on time, temperature, and your driving schedule, delivering the right amount of fragrance consistently rather than the overwhelming burst of a new air freshener that fades to nothing 2 weeks later. App control lets you set schedules, adjust intensity, and switch between fragrances without touching the device while driving. Smart scent, automatic control, your car smells right every single time. Number 4. 5.2K resolution, 360-degree panoramic recording, and the Vantrue E360 misses absolutely nothing. The E360 is a single-unit dash cam that covers every angle of your vehicle simultaneously, front, rear, left, right, and interior, through a panoramic lens system that captures 360 degrees of your environment in 5.2K resolution without requiring multiple cameras wired through your cabin. The resolution is the detail that matters in an insurance or legal context. 5.2K means license plates, road markings, and the position of every vehicle around you are clear and unambiguous in the footage, not a pixelated approximation that a lawyer can argue either way. The AI event detection flags incidents automatically across the full 360-degree field of view, so you're not manually reviewing the entire panoramic feed to find the moment that matters. The system finds it and timestamps it for you. Parking mode activates the full panoramic system when the engine is off. Every angle monitored, every incident captured. 360 degrees, 5.2K, every angle. Nothing missed. Number 5. A cordless all-in-one car wash machine, and it cleans your entire car without a hose, a tap, or a trip to the car wash. The Linyo H1 is a self-contained cordless pressure washer with its own water tank, meaning you fill it, take it outside, and wash your car completely without any external water connection. No hose, no tap access required, no car wash queue. The pressure output is sufficient for effective cleaning, cutting through road grime, dust, and the accumulated debris that a quick wipe with a cloth moves around rather than removes. The integrated detergent system combines washing and rinsing in one pass, rather than requiring separate application steps. The cordless design makes it genuinely portable. Apartment dwellers without driveway access, people in locations without outdoor tap points, and anyone who wants to clean their car wherever it's parked rather than wherever a water connection is available. Battery life covers a full car wash with capacity remaining. The runtime is calibrated for the job it's designed to do. No hose, no tap, no car wash. Clean your car exactly where it's parked. Number 6. A 3-channel rear-view mirror dash cam that replaces your standard mirror and records everything around you simultaneously. The WOLFBOX G900 TriPro mounts over your existing rear-view mirror and transforms it into a smart display, showing your front camera, rear camera, and interior camera feeds, all while recording all 3 channels simultaneously in quality that standard mirror cams have historically struggled to match. The touch display replaces the mirror glass entirely, showing a clean, wide-angle rear view that eliminates the blind spots your physical mirror creates and gives you a genuinely superior picture of what's behind you compared to glass reflection. The 3-channel recording covers the scenarios that single or dual cameras miss: a rear-end collision, an interior incident in a rideshare vehicle, and the forward footage, all captured simultaneously on one device with one installation. 3 channels, 1 mirror, everything around you recorded. Number 7. The heads-up display Tesla forgot to include, and NeuroHUD adds it to any car in minutes. The NeuroHUD projects your speed, navigation directions, safety alerts, and driving data onto your windshield in your direct line of sight. So the information you need is where your eyes already are, rather than requiring you to look down at a dashboard or a phone mount every time you need it. The Tesla forgot framing is deliberate because heads-up display technology has been available for years. Premium vehicles include it, and yet the majority of cars on the road still require you to take your eyes off the road to see your speed. NeuroHUD fixes that for any car through a device that installs in minutes and connects to your phone via Bluetooth. The navigation integration is real-time and precise. Turn prompts appear in your windshield view at exactly the right moment rather than the slightly too late timing that audio-only navigation produces. The safety alerts include speed camera warnings, speed limit changes, and collision warnings derived from your phone's sensors. Your windshield, your data, eyes on the road where they belong. Number 8. An all-in-one roadside safety guardian, and the JS3 handles every emergency scenario your car might create. The Vantrue Power JS3 combines jump starter, tire inflator, power bank, and emergency lighting into one device that lives in your car and handles every common roadside emergency without requiring you to call anyone for help. Dead battery? The jump starter delivers enough cranking power for petroleum and diesel engines across a meaningful range of vehicle sizes. Flat tire? The integrated compressor inflates to the correct pressure through a digital display that stops automatically at your target PSI. No power? The power bank keeps your phone alive when the car can't. Dark road? The emergency lighting covers you while you work. The all-in-one design is the practical achievement. Instead of a separate jump pack, a separate compressor, and a separate power bank taking up boot space, the JS3 handles all 3 in one device that's smaller than any of them individually. Jumpstart, inflate, power up, light the road. Number 9. An AI CarPlay box that upgrades your factory infotainment to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto instantly. The Ottocast P3 Pro plugs into your car's existing wired CarPlay port and converts it to wireless, so your phone connects automatically the moment you get in the car, without the cable you always leave at home. The AI layer adds voice assistant integration that goes beyond Siri and Google Assistant, conversational commands that handle the in-car tasks that standard voice assistants handle awkwardly. The processing speed keeps the interface responsive, rather than introducing the lag that cheaper CarPlay adapters are notorious for. Wired to wireless, instant connection. The upgrade your infotainment needed.
Number 10. Portable air power redefined, and the blast air makes every compressed air solution before it look oversized and outdated. The blast air is a handheld compressed air device that delivers powerful directed airflow from a body small enough to carry in a jacket pocket, replacing bulky canned air, garage compressors, and blowers that live in a corner and come out twice a year. In the car context specifically, the applications multiply quickly, cleaning out the interior, seats, vents, dashboard crevices, the gap between the console and the seat where everything disappears. The blast air reaches every space a vacuum misses, drying a car after a wash without water spots, clearing dust from vents, inflating small inflatables for road trips. The rechargeable battery means no propelling cans to buy, store, or dispose of. The running cost after purchase is zero, which over the lifetime of a device you'll reach for regularly adds up to a meaningful saving over canned air. Variable output lets you dial from a gentle clearing breath to a focused high-pressure stream depending on what the task requires. Pocket-sized, rechargeable, more air power than anything this size has any right to produce. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.